And down on ground level, game changers are arriving too.
Christian Cole rocks up in his truck and he's got our full wraparound custom built island bench.
We're finally here.
Yeah, I know, it's very exciting.
Yep, the big moment has arrived. Daniel and Jade's handmade, one-of-a-kind, never-seen before Christian Cole Island Bench is here, delivered personally by the man himself.
Here she comes.
The South Aussie farmers have been struggling with money and came into this week with over $5,000 in debt. The only way they could afford an expensive handcrafted island bench from Christian Cole was with the $10,000 from the Suncorp Game Changer.
Let's go wide, you guys go round.
Because this is something that he's put his sweat and blood into, so I was ecstatic to see it. I couldn't wait to unwrap it to have a look.
Oh, yeah.
Yes, mate, got it off. Thank you, mate.
Yeah, they're getting their Christian Cole.
The island bench has got the whole block talking.
I don't even know what a Christian Cole is.
Oh, Christian Cole is a furniture man. Very expensive. Oh. Christian, that's awesome.
Unreal, mate.
Wow.
Jaw-dropping to see it today, like, you know, the craftsmanship that's gone into it, the detail that's in it.
That is incredible talent right there.
Now, how long does this take to make?
I reckon I've spent 13 days, full days, working on it.
How many guys?
Just me.
Yeah, I can't stop looking at it.
And now it's unwrapped, everyone wants to have a peek.
Beautiful. Luke's a woodie himself, he's a chippy as well, and anyone who knows wood respects this sort of work, and look, it's amazing, it's art, really.
There's carpentry porn right there.
Carpentry porn.
Carpentry porno.
Is that like looking at a voluptuous woman?
Oh,
Looking at the Christian
all I
Cole
want to do is
curve?
just touch her. And
Oh my God, you were feeling up an island bench.
I was feeling up an island bench.
Oh dear.
Oh well. Hey, whatever floats your boat.
What a game changer, eh?
It's our game changer, this one, so we'll be dressing this thing as best as we can because we want to win this week.
That looks really good on that floor.
That's
good
awesome.
colour choice.
Oh, it's just amazing. I love it. Wow. Yeah, I got a Christian Cole bench.